The question we are solving now belongs to test series 3. It is of digital electronics subject. In specific, it belongs to sum of products form. As per the question, it is given that there is an expression corresponding to the 4 bits A, B and C and D. This expression mainly gives the simplest implementation of the LSB of XS3 code representation. Now we need to find this simple representation F1 of ABCD. So from this data we see that as F1 of ABCD is LSB of XS3 code representation, it can be written that DCBA bits can be mapped to the value of F1. If all are 0, this corresponds to an access code of 0011 and the LSB is 1. Similarly, 0001 maps to 0, 0010 maps to 1, 0011 maps to 0. Similarly, upon proceeding, we see that 00 011 maps to 0 and 1000 maps to 1, 1001 maps to 0, and from 1010 on all are don't care options because 1010 maps to 1011, which is not a valid access3 code because 1010 doesn't correspond to any BCD value. From this data we see that the map representing above can be drawn as shown. It has the elements as DC and VA, and upon writing the different values possible, we see that the map finally boils down to what is shown. This corresponds to 0001 11 and 10. Again, this corresponds to the DC values of 0001 11 and 10. This corresponds to a bit of 1. This also corresponds to a bit of 1. This is also 1. This is also 1. And this is also 1. And these 5 are don't care options. Please note that we got this table from the entries that we got on the top. So from this we see that we can group the ones in the first column and in the last column. Please note that for these two columns, C, D and B are varying, taking all values of all possible combinations, but A is remaining constant at 0. From this we see that the representation of F1 of A, B, C, D in can be written as A bar considering that it is the LSB of XS3 code representation. Hence the correct option representing the required expression is A bar. Hence the correct option is B.